Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Draw Your Game. First, gather your materials, a blank sheet of paper, and 4 specific colored pens: black, blue, green, and red. These colors are crucial as they define different elements within your game. Once you have your drawing ready, you'll use the Draw Your Game application to scan it. The app then magically brings your hand-drawn world to life, allowing you to play your very own creation. It's a fantastic way to turn your imagination into interactive fun. Understanding the color codes is key to designing your game effectively. Black is for your static environment, forming the ground and walls that your character interacts with. Blue lines create movable objects, like blocks you can push to solve puzzles. Green lines add a spring to your step, making your character bounce. Finally, red lines are your hazards. These are areas or objects that will cause your character to lose a life. Each color plays a vital role in shaping your game's mechanics. When drawing your game level, always use a clean, white sheet of paper and make sure your lines are bold and distinct. Begin by drawing a small black circle to mark where your character will start. Then, construct your level's basic structure using black lines for platforms and walls. Thoughtfully place blue movable objects, green bouncy surfaces, and red hazards to create challenges and objectives. Remember, clear and well-defined lines help the app accurately interpret your design. Once your drawing is complete, open the Draw Your Game application and tap the Scan button. Position your drawing on a flat, well-lit surface to ensure the best possible scan quality. Carefully align your device's camera so that your entire drawing fits within the designated frame on the screen. After the scan, your drawing transforms into a playable game. You can then immediately play your creation, test its mechanics, and even share your unique game with friends and family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.